Childbirth is the beginning of a new era in every woman's life. The process of raising a child will give you a lot of happy and bright moments. However, in addition to plump, pink cheeks, moms get sleepless nights, constant excitement, and a busy schedule. Yet, modern moms are always on the move. They are full of strength and energy. Let us recommend you top 5 business ideas for moms that you could easily pull off. Bakery. Is your kitchen filled with the aroma of delicious pastries? It's not a problem to turn your hobby into your favorite work. On your site, you can post a catalog of your products, actual prices, an individual order form, contacts. But what if you do not know how to create websites? You definitely should not worry about it. Template Monsters coders have already set up gorgeous bakery templates for you, such as this Chateau WordPress theme. Beauty service. At home, you can organize a mini version of the beauty salon. Manicure, pedicure, cosmetology procedures, waxing and sugaring, haircuts and styling, makeup and other procedures at home or with your visit to the client are popular due to convenience for people and more democratic prices than in the salons. Create your own portfolio page on Instagram, or better, your own website where you will post examples of your work. To make it easier, you can choose any from over 400 beauty templates, like Duran Beauty and Hair Salon WordPress theme. Blog. The internet allows us to work from home, while the baby is asleep or already plays next to you. A blog is a great idea in such a case. The essence of blogging is that you create a website for yourself and then publish your materials there. Tell about your hobbies, your experience, or everything that is close to you. As for the technical side of creating a blog, it's not as difficult as it seems. You can set up your blog on the platform of WordPress without much effort and use Lovelife responsive WordPress theme to give it a modern and stylish look. Online store. On average, today, every 5th purchase occurs via the internet. So, what do you need to create your own online store? The site with a catalog of products, suppliers of goods, and an efficient delivery system. Let the Craftorious, a handmade gift store WooCommerce theme, take all the technical job. It will provide a flawless performance and pleasant look. Coaching. According to the International Coaching Federation, coaching is a partnership between the client and the coach, which provokes thinking and promotes creativity, and as a result, inspires the client to maximize personal and professional potential. Therefore, a good coach can help people get on their feet, set goals, and achieve new levels of success. A personal website is your home, where you set your own rules. To be a specialist that people can trust online, you need to show what you're good at and what you have to offer the moment people visit your site. What will help you is Instructee, a consulting services Elementor WordPress theme. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to click the like button and subscribe.